Welcome to Phase 2, Week 1 of your Project-Based Inquiry Learning course, Investigation in a PBIL Challenge. During this first week of Phase 2, your goals for this week will be to develop greater content and skill understanding via PBIL learning experience, understand how to use online learning tools to communicate and collaborate effectively with course participants, use online tools to demonstrate understanding of course materials. A quick overview of assignments. There are only 2 assignments for this week, and the total time will be about 2 to 3 hours. During this week, you need to channel your inner middle schooler and take the opportunity to experience a PBIL as a learner through the Roto Recovery Vehicle Challenge. During this week, we will focus on these specific PBIL elements: elicit, engage, and explore. If you review your pacing guide, you will see that you have 2 assignments due this week. Assignment 4 is due on Saturday, and Assignment 5 is due on Tuesday, and they are always due at 11:59 p.m. on the stated date. Your pacing guide will also give you information on when you need to collaborate in your forums as you are completing these assignments. First assignment of Phase 2, Assignment 4, should take approximately 45 to 60 minutes. The first step of Assignment 4 is to review the Roto Recovery Vehicle Challenge. It is simply a short reading that will give you context to your PBIL. Once you have read the challenge and understand what you will be required to do within this project, you will then participate in an interactive demonstration, which will include watching a video, about a 9-minute video, and then completing a Predict, Observe, Explain activity. You will simply download this activity and complete it while watching the video. You do not need to submit this because you will then take this activity and apply it to parts B and C of Assignment 4. Part B allows you to complete a mess about with a sample RRV. So you will actually print out an RRV template, which is similar to a paper helicopter, and then drop it a few times and see how it falls. Using these observations and the information that you learned during your interactive demonstration, you will then post results on a Padlet sheet about how objects fall and what factors or variables you can change to make objects fall in different ways. This is what Assignment 4 looks like in your Desire to Learn site. As I mentioned, Part A is simply you're going to download the POE sheet. It will download as a Word document. You can fill it out typing or writing. You'll fill it out as you're watching the Falling Objects 9-minute video. And again, you will not submit this sheet. You will simply use it to complete the rest of Assignment 4. The second part of Assignment 4 is your mess about. You will download the template, print it out, cut it out, and attach 2 paper clips at the bottom. Once assembled, you're going to drop it several times and watch how it behaves. As it is falling, think about the information you learned from the video, and now think about if you were to change something about the RRV, how would that change how it falls? You are then going to think of 3 changes that would affect how the object falls and post it on the Padlet board using the link at the bottom. Again, if you need any help on the Padlet board, it's simply you click on the back screen, write your name, and then post your answer. Once you've completed your post on the Padlet, you have completed Assignment 4. Again, for this assignment, you may click Submit, but it is really just to make sure you get your appropriate check because your assignment, once it is posted on the Padlet, will be considered complete. For Assignment 5, it will take approximately 60 to 90 minutes. In Assignment 5, you're going to download a template and then design your RRV experiment using your assigned variable. And the 2 assigned variables are either paper clips or wing length. Depending on your group, you will be assigned a specific variable. All odd groups are assigned wing length, and all even groups are assigned paper clips. I will show you how to find out exactly what group you are in a minute. Once you have designed your experiment, you're going to post your plan in your group form as an attachment for feedback. This will be also the first time that you'll use your specific group form, so I will show you how to enter that in a minute. The group forms are a lot smaller to allow for more in-depth conversation. Again, you will use the specific template that is provided in this assignment. You do not need to do the experiment. You are simply writing your design, posting in your forum, receiving feedback so you can refine it in assignment 6 and then actually complete it there. In addition to you posting your own assignment, you will also be expected to provide feedback to 1 or 2 other participants in your group on their experiment plan. This is what assignment 5 looks like in your Desire to Learn site. You will download the RV experiment plan sheet, fill it out, and then upload it back to your forum. Again, you will not start the experiment, but rather simply plan what you would do. So, how do you know what group you're in and how do you post to a group forum? You can simply tell what group you're in by clicking on the groups link, and the group that shows up here will be your group. So for my sample student here, once they've clicked on the group link, it shows that they're in group 1. You will then also notice when you click on your forum link that you will have a group 1 link to post in your forum. This is extremely important. When we're in group forums, you no longer post where it has the assignment title, but you simply post where your group is listed. So for example, this is group 1. You would simply start a new thread in your group forum. You would post it here. If you need to attach your document to your forum, you do this simply as you did your pictures. You scroll down to where it says Add Attachments below your forum post, and then you upload your experiment plan from your computer. You click Upload, or you can drop the files here. You do not need to really enter anything in your forum post for this, but you might just put experiment plan attached, and then again put your name in the subject. Once it is uploaded, other participants in your group can download, review your plan, and then click reply to give you feedback. Last but not least, some phase 2 advice and tips. Stay on task, keep pace, plan time to create your experiment plan, gather appropriate materials for investigation, such as your paper, your scissors, and your paper clips. Review the instructions for each assignment. Make sure you post in the correct place, such as your group forum, and contact instructors with any questions through email, chat, or FAQ forums. Good luck and have fun.